Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Code. In this video guys, we're gonna learn something new, something different. In this video or from next video, we're gonna learn how to create ServiceNow service portal. Okay, so from next video guys, we're gonna start ServiceNow. Okay, so from the next video, we will learn what is ServiceNow, how to create incident, problem, change, catalog item, how to create ServiceNow service portal. So let me show you example guys, what we will learn from the next video. So I have created something to show you guys. So let me go to the example, what I mean and what we are going to learn from the next video. So this is the ServiceNow service portal. So it has got some navigation bar and some search icon, and here is a text called interactive services of ABCD technology. Okay, so this is the name of the ABCD technology guys, and from here you can request a service, report an issue, view all request, or my request summary. Okay, so here in the top you can see there is a navigation bar. Okay, so this is the logo or the brand logo. This is the navigation item like home, about us, catalog, my request, portal, cart. Currently I have 3 items in my cart, and here is the system administrator. So let me click on the home now. As you can see guys, this is looking very modern. This is not looking the native ServiceNow what can I say, navigation bar. Okay, so this is looking very modern guys. Okay, so from the next video we will start a tutorial on ServiceNow, what is ServiceNow, and we will learn from the scratch of each and everything in the ServiceNow. Okay, so as you can see, I have created this navigation bar. This navigation bar looks really modern and really awesome, which is not native to the ServiceNow. Okay, so from the next video guys, we will learn how to create this kind of navigation bar in ServiceNow service portal. Okay, so here is the search bar also. We can search anything from here. Let me search something from here. So I'm going to search laptop now. Let me click on the search icon. So from here guys, you can see there are lots of laptop available here, and you can order from here. Okay, so let me click on the development laptop. So it has got some specifications also. As you can see, what size solid state drive do you want? I'm going with 500 GB, and please specify an operating system. So I will go with the Windows 8. Okay, and this is the specifications. Okay, 3.0 GHz Intel Core i7 processor, 250 GB or 500 GB solid state drive, 8 GB RAM, Microsoft Windows 8 or Ubuntu, Tomcat, Eclipse, Firefox or Chrome. Okay, so this is the catalog item guys. Okay, this is the catalog item, and from here you can increase the quantity like 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 up to 10. Okay, so let me increase this order or quantity. So I am increasing the quantity by 2, and I'm going to add this item into my cart. Currently you can see here I have got 3 items in my cart, so I'm going to more item in my cart. Okay, so I'm going to click on the add to cart button now. So see, my cart item got increased by 4, and you can view cart from here also, or you can view cart from here also. Okay, so I'm going to click here from the cart icon only. So I'm going to view cart. See, currently this much of item is into my cart. Okay, I can proceed to checkout. So you can cancel from here guys also. I'm clicking on OK. Let me cancel this also. Click on the OK. So I'm going back. So from the next video guys, you can request a service from here also. See, this is the my request. Okay, this much request I have made from the ServiceNow service portal. Okay, let me go to the home now. You can see or you can report an issue from here also. Okay, as of now I have given some different link, and whenever we will start a tutorial on ServiceNow service portal, we will see each and everything in real time only. Okay, so I'm going back to home now. View all request, you can click. See, this is my request, my incident, and it has got INC, and this is the incident number. Okay, okay, my request, and this is the request item. You can click here also, and you can see what item you have been requested. So this is the system administrator. I have to like approve it. So this is waiting like a requested item. It is waiting for approval. Okay. So we will learn, guys, each and everything. We will learn workflow also. We will learn like client script, business rule, UI policy. We will learn, guys, each and everything. What is variable set. Okay. What is there inside the service now, guys? We will learn each and everything from scratch, from starting, from the next video, guys. Okay, so this video was just to show you guys that we are going to start a tutorial on ServiceNow as well. So let me go to the home now. As you can see, guys, this is looking very modern. Okay, so this navigation bar looks very modern and very unique. This is not the native what can I say, ServiceNow navigation bar. Okay, so we will learn how to create our own widget. We will learn how to create, how to copy existing widget. We will learn how to create navigation bar. We will learn what is scope element. We will learn Angular also in ServiceNow. So this video was just to show you guys. From next video, or from the what can I say, from next video we are going to start a tutorial from the scratch on ServiceNow as well. So I'm hoping you I'm hoping, guys, you will be here and you will subscribe to my channel, so that you will not skip any videos and you will watch each and every videos on ServiceNow. And trust me, guys, just be here, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Code, and from the next video we will start from scratch each and everything which is inside the ServiceNow. Okay, we will learn how to create module. We will learn how to create an application with low code or no code. Okay, so I am requesting you guys all, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Code, and please press the bell icon also, so that whenever I will upload a new video in ServiceNow, you will be notified and you can watch them instantly and you can learn from it. So please, guys, be here and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Code, because from the next video we are going to learn how to create a awesome looking ServiceNow service portal. Trust me, guys, just subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Code, and I'm sure, I guarantee you guys, you will be expert in ServiceNow portal, in ServiceNow ITSM, in ServiceNow ITOM, in ServiceNow HRSD. Okay, so trust me, guys, you will be expert in these kind of modules. You will be expert in how to create a custom incident form, how to save something, some data or some information into the custom table, how to access table, how to create our own table, how to know which table is used for which function or which part of the ServiceNow module or ServiceNow applications. So please, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Code, and please press the bell icon also. And if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, and I am requesting you all, please like all my videos, so that it will give me the confidence, it will give me the motivation to make awesome videos on each and every topic of web development, as well as on each and every topic of ServiceNow. Okay, ServiceNow portal also. So this is my ServiceNow instance, guys. I will make a video how to request your own instance in ServiceNow. So we will learn each and everything, guys, in ServiceNow. Okay, we will learn how to write client script. We will learn how to write business rule. We will learn how to write UI policy. We will learn what is UI action. We will learn what is UI 15, UI 16. We will learn what is module. We will learn what is application. We will learn what is navigation bar, or what can I say, see, this is the app engine, guys. Okay, so this is the from here you can this is the filter navigation bar. Okay guys, so from here you can search any kind of filter. We will learn how to create our own page. We will learn how to change css in uh, ServiceNow. See, this is the fully custom like css. Okay guys, so this is not the native ServiceNow css. This is fully custom css. Okay, we will learn where to write our css. We will learn how to make anything compulsory. We will learn how to make, if something is compulsory, we will learn how to make it not compulsory. We will learn how to fetch data. We will learn how to integrate API. We will learn how to integrate REST API. We will learn how to integrate Jira. We will learn how to integrate Salesforce. We will learn how to integrate third-party applications or module into ServiceNow. Okay, so trust me guys, from next video we will be starting tutorial on ServiceNow, and from the next video we will learn how to create and how to become a ServiceNow service portal expert. Okay, so trust me guys, just subscribe to my YouTube channel The Code, and if you like this video please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my YouTube channel The Code, because from the starting video, from the next video, we are gonna learn what is ServiceNow and how to become an expert in ServiceNow guys. Okay, so thank you guys. This video was just to tell you, just to let you know that from the next video we are gonna start what is ServiceNow and how to become a ServiceNow expert in no time. Okay, so I am requesting you guys all, please subscribe to my YouTube channel The Code, and please press the bell icon also, so that you will be notified whenever I will upload a new video in the service portal. Okay, so I just showed you the demo guys, because this is the ServiceNow service portal, and we will add each and everything here in ServiceNow service portal. From there user can order anything, they can raise an incident, they can report something, they can read their what can I say, article, they can create their article, they can flag their articles, they can let you know if there is some kind of error in your article from the ServiceNow service portal only. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and if you like this video guys, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel The Code. So thank you guys for watching this video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I will definitely see you in the next video. From the next video we will start ServiceNow tutorial. Okay, so thank you guys.